Welcome to the 11th All India Police Games 2026.
యాంకర్ వస్తే యాంకర్ కింద పెట్టేస్తే
Hong, Hong. So here we are the winner of under 80 kg, male under 80 kg. And
Against their opponents. So, in the first round, we are watching the domination of Joyashree having a point to nil. So, Samar, once the referee had shown a red card,
can apply for a video replay just like we have a DRS system in cricket. So the center referee will ask for the video replay and the review jury will see it correctly whether it's the decision is wrong or right, and then the review jury will decide what is the actual decision and will proceed accordingly.
is that a kick? Yes, straight away she had got 3 points.
Kicking to the head.
Yes, she had kicked to the head area. That's what she had got 3 points straight away. We have 3 types of point system in the taekwondo matches. Usually we see if they punch, they'll get 1 point.
When they kick to the chest guard, direct kick is 2 points is awarded, and the same when they kick a turning kick to the chest guard, 4 points is awarded, and when a straight kick is kicked to the head, 3 points is awarded, and the same if there is a turning kick to the head, 6 points is awarded.
So in taekwondo, usually we all know for the direct kick to the body will be 1 point, and while they turn and kick to the body, it will be a 2 point. Whereas direct kick to the head, 3 points will be awarded to the athlete. The same while they turn and kick towards the head, 6 points will be awarded. So punches to the body also will be a 1 point system here in this championship. When they kick to the stomach, it will be a 4 point.
ITBP, this is the second call.
Divya Rajawat earlier had a 2 point score over SSB Police. Though Divya had been back from the injury concern, it's a good point. There is an equalization of the score between the two athletes, blue and red corner. Now blue just given a point there. Coming back to the third round, this will also continue with 2 minutes duration. So after the equalization of the score for both the athletes from Bihar Police and SSB Police, it's going to be very tough fight between two athletes. We all know 1 point for a clean hand attack onto the body. And 2 points will be awarded while she turns and she had a good 2 point break to Divya Rajawat. Wonderful. One more 2 points added. So she had taken a lead until 2 minutes. This round continues. Whoever will be dominating will have the lead, will be the winner. Oh, so there is a 5 point lead to nil to Divya Rajawat from SSB Police. She is protecting her lead till the end. She has to continue. Just fraction of seconds remained on the scoreboard. Oh, she tried to turn and kick in the red corner. Wins this match. Between Helena Devi, who plays against Kausalya from Karnataka Police. Helena representing BSF Police. In the initial phase itself, the red corner had a lead with 1 point. Now Helena Devi is in the lead, though she had conceded earlier. As I said, height is an advantage, but we can see Kausalya, though she is short, she is stronger, coming very strongly, taking the lead in the round 1, which consists of 2 minutes duration. So here comes the score equaled. Oh, fantastic. Helena taken a dominant lead. Straight away 3 points. Direct kick towards the head. Oh, fantastic. Turning and kicking back.
Court number 2, female under 73 kg, Vidhi Kumari, CRPF, Rochester versus LPR.
Good point taken by the red corner. Violation of the regulations. So one more time we have seen still the dominance continues with her. Turned and taken a kick towards the head, but it's an error there. So back to the match with 10 to 6, 10 points to 6. Definitely Helena Devi will try her best, turning every time. We can see on the screen she's turning and kicking towards the head, or yes, she want to score. Kausalya had won this bout. Congratulations Karnataka Police. At a time 2 reviews cannot be taken, and back to the bout. The domination continues with the red corner. Oh, wonderful punch. Sabita Ramchiari is in the lead as of now, 7 points to 4 over for Sabita. See, kicking over the head. Last 10 seconds remaining. Almost 10 points in the lead. Now gone to 11 points to the red corner, Sabita. See the dominance. What an aggressive attack she had been taking. That's what we have seen the lead in the first round. We have seen Sabita taking the lead in the first round, going for the straight kicks. One more punch, direct punch we have seen onto the chest, onto the body. But Yes, it's a point straight away. We have seen a direct punch on the body. It's a 1 point we have seen given to Sabita. Clock has been stopped. She turned, but in the meantime, she had utilized the gap. 6 points to 2. One more punch. One more point added. That's gone to 7. See the balance. One more. One more time, we have seen the continuous points scored by Samita Ramchiari. There is a huge point lead in favor of Samita. See, straight away from 13 to 16 points. Now 2 points lead. Samita Ramchiari wins the second bout 2. Congratulations. Welcome to the bout number 12, semi-final 1 between Riya Bhati representing CISF Police playing against Divya Rajawat from SSB Police. Divya in a red corner and Riya Bhati in blue corner. So this is going to be interesting and exciting match.
Next bout is court number 1. Sonali Anil, Maharashtra, blue chase guard versus will start
Taken the lead.
female.
Oh, beautiful punch. One more point will be added to her, but the power should be there in that punch. One judge sitting beside the mat had been helped out. That blue corner had a point, was added a point for the kick onto the body. Off balanced because of the error committed by the red corner. We have seen the score equaled. This is the first round for 2 minutes. As of now, both the athletes have a equal score. Riya Bhati. The struggle continues, the battle continues. Taking an aggressive attack. But the escape is very well done by Riya Bhati. So this time going for beautiful direct kicks towards the head will definitely give a Riya Rajawat presenting her amazing skills. See the practice, the technique. 11 points as of now. Here ends the bout. Congratulations, Riya Rajawat from SSB Police. The girl in red corner had won this match and gone straight away to the finals. Welcome to bout number 6, the quarter-final 3 under 57 kg category in the women of 11th All India Police Judo Cluster 2026. Yes, straight away she had 3 points. One more direct kick added to that with 2 points. 1 point so far. And now restricting the opponent. Taking a lead with 12 points, Hafiza Khatun from CISF Police. Still the domination in the second round is in her favor. So every time in the defensive zone, that's the reason. 1 more point added to Hafiza Khatun. Oh, pure domination. What a balance it is. See, that kick touch to the headdress. So straight away in the second round also have taken the lead. Congratulations. She went to the semi-finals. So we are watching second Pumse demonstration. Pumse is judged on technical skill, accuracy, balance, rhythm, power, and presentation rather than direct contact or fighting. See how wonderful it is to watch out for in this competition. Usually, athletes score their points by point-based judging for recognized Pumse or head-to-head judge voting. See the sequence with the athletes. The judges definitely compare the execution against the required pattern and the competition standard. Everything they will take into consideration. The power and speed, the rhythm and tempo, the accuracy, the presentation, the expression of energy, overall, the measure, the judges measure the distance. Visually, we have to have a look with the same energy and tempo carried on till the Anil Yadav, Ankit, and Rishav Singh from CRPF Police. This is a Pumse demonstration had been witnessing on the screen. This is the round one. See the balance, the accuracy of the blocks, the strikes, the kicks, and transitions from the entire team. The coordination is much more important. The eye contact between the teammates should be balanced from fraction of second to second. The expression of energy should be carried on till the end. So as I said, the presentation will carry 6 points. Total of 10 points will be allotted. Yes, here ends the first round of Pumse. So here starts the second round. See the accuracy, the presentation. As I said, it carries 6 points, and definitely the preference will be given for the perfection, the power and speed they were maintaining till the end, and the rhythm and tempo. So they will look after for rhythm and tempo for 2 points and power and speed for 2 points. So the team is performing the balance till the end. Let us wait for the score till the end. Here ends the second round. Medal winning teams in the Pumse demonstration category. Welcome to the 11th All India Police Games 2026. We are at the Penchak Silat Arena, and I am Swanalata in the commentary box alongside Filia Thomas. She is with me. She is the Senior Vice President of Indian Penchak Silat Federation. So in KP, we have two international referees with me. Filia Thomas, she is the international referee from Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Alongside Abdul Razak is also here. Hi Filia.
Hello, Swarna.
Can you please demonstrate this Penchak Silat? What is this all about?
This is Penchak Silat. We are here in 11th All India Police Judo Cluster 2026. This is day one. And we are watching Ganda. This is an event of Penchak Silat. Here, two people in pair they perform, and you have to use different weapons like sickle, toya, and knife, and different things are used in this, and they perform for 3 minutes. You will see, you go to watch the movie, here you will watch 3 minutes of fight. Every fight will be different from another.
So you are saying this is Ganda.
Yes.
Under 3 minutes, they have to perform three different categories of performances, or what, Philia?
In starting for 40 minutes, they perform hand movement. Then they start with different, you're watching, they have to show that it is kind of movie, you can say, demonstration as we do. They do, and they tell you the uses of the weapons. And in this fight, you see after every moment, this expressions are very very important. You are given the marks of expression also. Now with the new rules, we have the sound effect too. Otherwise earlier we used to be having no sound, silence, and then we'd perform. But now they perform, you will see they say ah and a bit of that, so that it creates interesting moves. This balancing, it's not easy. It seems easy, but it is not.
Yeah, it's so interesting and exciting as well, Philia. As you said, I have a small, just a doubt. This is a point scoring system, like hand attack will be awarded 1 point, right?
Yes. Actually, you are watching the tending thing. There are four categories we are watching in this. Fighting is not done. This is called artistic event. In this, the two people create their own kind of demo and then they perform. This is the ending. You can see what a marvelous performance.
So many different aspects we have come to know about this Pencak Silat, and this is
Indonesian version.
Indonesian martial arts, as what do you say, Philia?
Eyes contact you have when you get points. See, in between when they change their tactics, then they will smile, and again they have to see they smile, and again they will be so fearful, and then they will start fighting. This is an act, so you have to act a way that you are not foe of each other. You are friends, right? So you show this is very important every time you do. Now people are not doing so much makeup because rules were changed, as I told you.
Welcome to the Indian Panchak Silat tending event under the Indian Panchak Silat Federation. This category competition has been taking place in the. So that is what the technique, the skill, all about. The valid attack had been taken by the red corner. One more kick with 2 points to the red corner, Amit Kumar from Chandigarh Police. See the kicks, straight kicks. Here completes the duration of the match. Finally, red corner wins this. We are watching 11th All India Police Judo Cluster 2026 Taekwondo match number 1. It's a boat number 1 between D. Ajay Kumar from Telangana and Aryan Chaudhary from BSF
Next bout in court number
Police.
1.
Oh, beautiful.
Gulshan Sharma, UP Police.
The man,
Which is
the
guard
athlete
versus
from
Vasinta.
Telangana Police in the blue
Samvegam.
corner, Aryan Chaudhary in the red. See the kicks straight away, clean body kicks we can see from Aryan. Back into action for the second round. Ajay Kumar, for every fraction of seconds, the score has been increasing for Aryan Chaudhary, the athlete from BSF. He deliberately made a fall. It's a one-side traffic on the scoreboard at 12. It's now 15-0. Aryan Chaudhary from BSF, representing CISF Police in the red corner. So both these contestants are very tough. That's what in the finals we have one final last moment to watch out for. So we have seen the performance of Hafiza Khatun in the semi-finals. What a fight it was. And yes, on the scoreboard also we can see Hafiza in the lead as of now so far with 8 points to nil over Sabita Ramchari. So she had taking a overhead kick That's what we all know. If it is a direct kick towards the head, it's a 3 point. It will be a half-time break of 1 minute. What's happening there? Now the score is equalized, 1-all on the board. Okay, one more time coming back. See both the athletes trying for the kicks. If it hits the headgear, it will be a 3-pointer. Awarded 1 point to red corner. That's what 1-all score so far. That's what 1 point. Oh, one more brilliant kick we have seen. 3 more points added to the score to Hafiza. So this time, with that power, 2 more points with the direct kick to Sabita, but it doesn't matter. 10-point lead we can see to Hafiza. Just fraction of seconds to complete the board.
Congratulations, Lucas God versus K7 Andhra Pradesh Racing God. Both of them court number 1 after this round.
See, the hunger continues for the red corner. Here ends the bout, and Hafiza Khatun wins the gold medal. And the congratulations, Hafiza Khatun.